The issue of infrastructure in the scheme. Infrastructure in the scheme is aging, not only here in Pakera, it is aging in Moya, it is aging in Ahero, it is aging in all these schemes. And because of the massive amount of maybe trafficable roads in our schemes, which we use to evacuate our produce from the farms to our off-takers, there is need to have a collaborative discussion between ourselves, our farmers, and the county government.
We want to thank Wasiri and the county government that they have agreed with an MOU that is ongoing. Next time we shall have new roads within better roads that will assist our farmers to transport their production.